Remember that time you got lost in a mall as a kid and a kindly stranger helped you find your parents? Here's the disturbing truth. That memory might be completely fake. In a groundbreaking study completed in 2026, researchers found that 70% of people confidently recalled detailed memories of events that never actually happened to them. Your brain isn't a video recorder. It's more like a creative writer who keeps editing the story every time you remember it. And by the end of this video, you'll discover 7 types of false memories that are probably hiding in your own mind right now. But first, you need to understand something that will change how you see your entire past. 70% of your memories contain fabricated details. Let's talk about how memory actually works. When you experience something, your brain doesn't save it like a computer file. Instead, it scatters pieces of that experience across different regions. The sights go to your visual cortex, the emotions to your amygdala, the context to your hippocampus. Now here's where it gets wild. Every time you recall a memory, your brain has to reassemble all those scattered pieces. And during that reconstruction, your current beliefs, emotions, and even suggestions from other people can contaminate the original memory. Think of it like this. Every time you remember something, you're not accessing the original memory. You're remembering the last time you remembered it. Each recall creates a slightly modified version, like making a photocopy of a photocopy of a photocopy. Your brain fills in missing details automatically. This brings us to one of the most disturbing experiments in psychology history, the Lost in the Mall experiment. In the early 1990s, psychologist Elizabeth Loftus took 24 participants and gave them 4 childhood stories. 3 were real. 1 was completely fabricated. The fake story described getting lost in a shopping mall at age 5 and being rescued by an elderly woman. By the end of the study, 25% of participants not only believed the fake memory was real, but they added rich sensory details that never existed. They described the color of the woman's coat, the smell of the mall, the feeling of panic, all completely manufactured by their own brains. And when researchers followed up in 2026 with modern brain imaging, they found something even more unsettling. False memories activate the exact same neural pathways as real ones. So let's break down the 7 types of false memories that are probably living in your head right now. Number 1, source confusion memories. This is when you remember information correctly, but misremember where it came from. You swear your friend told you that story, but actually you read it online. Number 2, suggestibility memories. These are created when someone else's description of an event gets incorporated into your own recall. Your sister describes the family vacation with a blue car. Suddenly, you remember the blue car too, even though you arrived by train. Number 3, misattribution memories. You remember doing something that someone else actually did. You're convinced you locked the front door this morning, but actually, your roommate did it and you just watched. Your brain created a false memory of performing the action yourself. Number 4, biased memories. Your current feelings and beliefs reshape how you remember the past. If you're angry at someone now, your brain will highlight all the negative memories about them and suppress the positive ones. Number 5, imagination inflation. The more you imagine something, the more likely you are to believe it actually happened. You pictured giving that presentation so many times in your head that now you're not sure if you actually did it or just imagined it. Number 6, persistence memories. These are intrusive memories of traumatic or emotional events that won't go away, but they become more distorted over time. Every time you replay that embarrassing moment, your brain adds dramatic details that weren't there originally. And number 7, flashbulb false memories. These are vivid, detailed memories of significant events where you're absolutely certain of every detail. But research shows these memories are just as inaccurate as any other. The confidence you feel has nothing to do with accuracy. So why does your brain do this? Why create false memories at all? The answer is actually kind of beautiful. Your brain isn't trying to deceive you. It's trying to help you survive. Memory evolved to extract useful patterns and lessons, not to create perfect recordings. Your brain prioritizes meaning over accuracy. This is also why the Mandela effect happens. Thousands of people share the same false memory because our brains make similar logical assumptions. We all remember the Monopoly man having a monocle. He never did. But it makes logical sense because he's a rich character from that era. Your brain filled in the missing detail with what seemed most probable. and millions of other brains did exactly the same thing. If you found this fascinating, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, because understanding how your mind actually works is the first step to taking control of it. So here's what you need to remember. Your memories aren't videos of the past. They're reconstructions influenced by who you are right now. Be humble about what you think you know. Question your certainties, and understand that your brain is doing its best with imperfect tools. The false memories in your head don't make you broken. They make you human. And that's exactly how it should be.